My name's John Davis. I'm the Managing Director for a company called Time and Data Systems International Limited, or TDSi for short, and we're a manufacturer of integrated security management systems and electronic access control products like smart card readers and biometric readers, that sort of thing. Very good question. Actually, we didn't target China initially. One of our UK customers, we had a deal with them and they took our products overseas. And that was Chubb, and that was back in the mid-80s. And since that time, TDSi has been exporting. I got involved with TDSi in 2005, so I think between 95 and 2005 I can pretty much sort of describe TDSi's approach to the Chinese market was more reactive. We didn't really understand what the true opportunities were. But I got involved with TDSi from 2005 when I bought the business, and I've had experience in the China market with other industry sectors prior to that, so I recognised that China was a good strategic fit for us, and it was at that time that we started looking at building a more comprehensive distribution network for the China market. We have a master distributor based in Shenzhen, and we appointed that company about 7 years ago. And they have a network of sub-distribution or systems integration houses that we work through across China. There are 2 or 3 of those major metro projects in the pipeline, which we hope to come to fruition in 2020. But we have such a large installed base of systems across China now that a lot of the work that we do is just improving and updating the systems that are currently out there. We have been lucky to find a good distributor who knew TDSi and set up their own business and wanted to do that themselves in China. But there are a lot of organisations, British companies, who are new to that market or looking at that market, that can help them sort of guide their way through the maze of things to do. The UK Department of International Trade, DIT, has a good working relationship with the China-Britain Business Council, CBBC. CBBC has 11 offices across China. They are there to help. They can help organisations do market research. They can help you find distribution partners. They can help you with legal advice if you're actually setting up in China. They can help you with employment contracts and finding the right people to work for you. It's an all-encompassing chamber and an organisation that can help. And I would actually strongly advise people that are new to the market either talk to people who are do existing business there, or talk to DIT and get yourself on the passport to export scheme. Get yourself out to China. And go and explore the market. There's a lot to do out there.